just wanted to make a name for herself or make a place for herself. I think you realize it even more that what it means to be a woman in a man's world. Girl child सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी मुझे लगता है पावर इंडिया तक आप कर सकते हो by educating her. If she has an independent mind and independent thinking, that is good enough. If she can think for herself, I think that is the most important gift. A sense of self-worth. That is the most important gift. She doesn't depend on anyone else. That is the most important or the biggest gift that a mother or a family can give to a child. Especially a girl child, I think. That's the most important thing. Yeah, I feel.
Thank you so much. So first of all, you're looking gorgeous, I must tell you, and this audience is very, very, very lucky to have you here. And so my question here is that you are from a small town, and how difficult was it for you to get into this industry from being a non-film background and a small town girl? And I'm sure a lot of people here are inspired by your story, and they like to know a few challenges.
मेरे पास कोई बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी नहीं है क्योंकि आई एक्चुअली आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट मैंने कुछ मॉडलिंग करी थी इन दिल्ली एंड समबडी सॉ ऑडिशन मैंने ऑडिशन किया था किसी के लिए तो गुलजार साहब एक वीडियो कर रहे थे एक खुद डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे एंड मेघना उनकी जो डॉटर है वो प्रोड्यूस कर रही थी सो ही सॉ दैट ऑडिशन जो मैंने किसी और एड के लिए किया था एंड ही लाइक मेरे तो मुझे उस म्यूजिक वीडियो में कास्ट किया एंड आई गॉट कास्ट इन दैट फिर किसी ने वो म्यूजिक वीडियो देखा 2022 में मेरी पहली फिल्म उसके लिए मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया सो मैं कभी बॉम्बे गई नहीं थी बिफोर आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट फिल्म सो आई वॉज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट आई थिंक डेस्टिनी टुक मी टू बॉम्बे एंड आई बिकेम एन एक्टर क्योंकि ऐसा तो कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी या आई हैव नेवर एवर थॉट ऑफ बीइंग एन एक्टर मुझे लगा मैं डांसर होंगी because I love dancing but yeah I think destiny बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है
Like you said, destiny बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है. You are meant to be there. Yes. Thank you so much.
Absolutely gorgeous. Just like rock star. It's a similar question. Can you share some personal experience or story that inspired you to support this cause for the empowerment of girl and women?
पर्सनल स्टोरी मुझे आई मीन यू नो मेरे फादर आर्मी में थे एक पहले से थोड़ी सी इंडिपेंडेंट काइंड ऑफ यू नो अपब्रिंगिंग रही है लेकिन जब आप बाहर जाते हैं व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टू लिव योर लाइफ एज एन एडल्ट यू रियलाइज दैट वो अपब्रिंगिंग वो वैल्यूज कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है सो माय एक्सपीरियंस इज जस्ट दैट समटाइम्स व्हेन आई सी गर्ल्स आर नॉट श्योर ऑफ देमसेल्फ फैमिलीज हैव नॉट empowered them एक वो डिपेंडेंसी ना वो दिमाग में हमेशा रहती है इट्स नॉट नथिंग टू डू विद मनी it has nothing to do with your status. I think it's to do with the values जो daily काम दी जाती है. And then a woman makes a family, right? So if you have those values, then your children become that. So it's such an important chain that I've noticed that it just passes on. Like the mother that I am is the home that my son will choose. Yes. It's like it's not me. It comes together is what I have. That's my experience.
Very, very well said.
So digressing from this topic and talking about the movies, especially your recent movie, the thriller Gaslight. I think you all loved your performance and your character in it. It was intriguing, powerful, and had so many shades of emotions. What was your experience preparing and working for it?
You know, I get very interested in characters which are real. Like कोई भी real life is not a Sati Savitri every hour of your day. We have the negative in us. We have the jealousy, the anger, the hate, the envy. We all have that, and I think that's what makes us human, right? So I thought it was very interesting. So most of the gaslight में जो मेरा character था, और it was a bit of a Lady Macbeth kind of thing to her.
Different from the previous roles that you've done.
Yeah, it was the first time I kind of played with it, kind of. But मुझे बहुत satisfying लगा क्योंकि integrity I had to bring to the character. एक कहते हैं ना कि respectfulness. So even chemically in your teeth and then you really enjoy it. So it's a bit like that for me. Yeah.
Chitrangana, I have a question to you. I think this question belongs to everyone present here. As organizers of an event which is larger than life, like a fashion show in which you are walking, I want to know, what do you think, how does this reinforce the cause of, say example today we are picking up the cause of Save the Girl Child. So how do events like these, cultural events like these, reinforce the cause yet again?
I think the most important thing is the intent behind it. I think it is coming together, talking about an issue like that, taking it forward. A lot of things are done by PR right now. It is so public relation driven, media driven, but sometimes you have to get eyeballs. And if you can get the eyeballs and talk about something which is important, then that's the best combination. So I think what you ladies have done is a good thing. It's a very important cause. As much as we think, what women hair, everybody's empowered. If you see the real picture, I think we're not there. We're far from it. So it's a very important thing. And what better than women talking about culture?